welcome back to Try and Makeup. Today we will be doing some makeup and I already got my chai going. Today we will be doing a Victoria's Secret makeup inspired look and I'm going to try to see what products work the best for lacy skin or brown skin. Usually Victoria's Secret models have like a very dewy, nice, supple skin. So we're going to replicate that because my skin is not as dewy and not as beautiful as theirs because of the scars, even though I do think my scars make me beautiful, you know, kind of like that one song. So we're gonna go in and there we go. So this cream just makes me feel just so good and so hydrated like all the time. Go in with the poreless primer. Again, I do all these steps to really just hide my scars. If you don't have scars, don't have textured skin or hyperpigmentation, you don't have to do all these steps. You can just kind of do the usual that works for you. I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Pro right on top. Okay, after that, we're gonna just go in with the Bobbi Brown Color Corrector in Peach. Then I'm gonna go in with Soft Ochre by MAC. I love this stuff. I sometimes don't even use concealer when I use this. I'm just gonna coat this all over my eye. We're doing kind of like a sparkly silver look. So I'm gonna make sure that my base is just neutral and, I don't know, perfect. I don't like that word perfect, but we're gonna use it for this case. Because nobody or anything is perfect unless you're a computer. You don't have to look like a clown like I am, but this is just what works for me. Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I think this is in 1W2 Sand. Maybe a little lighter. I don't know. I think it's an okay shade range. The thing is I buy these online and I don't always have the time to go with little kids to the store, so sometimes they're the right color, other times they are not. Kind of add it to the corners as well. What I'll do in the meantime is I will put some of this Huda Beauty powder underneath my eyes, so if there is fallout, the powder should be able to catch it. Then I'm gonna go in with Charlotte Tilbury palette. I think this is from their holiday collection. I'm not sure if it's still available. It's probably not, but we're gonna use similar colors. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this shade, and we're gonna kind of just blend. And then I will do my silver. Again, I think this is just good to have a little base. It gives your eye a little dimension. This just gives it a little bit of shade. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a very light shade right here and kind of put that on top. Ooh, there's a little bit more rose gold than I thought it would be. And I'm going to actually use the Patrick Ta palette that I got. It is beautiful. I just want you to look at this gorgeousness. I think it's $42. Definitely, I don't know if it's worth it, but pretty. Very pretty, but I don't know if it's $42 pretty. I think if you are gonna get this, I would probably just get the gold and silver shade. I don't know if you need all those shades. I'm gonna try the ColourPop one too. I have a similar color. It's the ColourPop eyeshadow in Ice Dream. Ooh, I like this one. I feel like this is, I wouldn't say it's the same quality, but it does what it needs to do, just like the other one. So $6 versus $42, you can definitely just go with the $6. With this light shade right here, and kind of just blend that in the crease. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush and kind of just do like a little eyeliner kind of thing going. And I'm gonna go in again with the Patrick Ta one because I feel like it's not giving what I want it to give. And with a nude liner just to make my eyes look bigger. And then I'm gonna go in with blush. That is a Pillow Talk Pink Pop. Just gonna use a little, not a lot. Just gonna blend, blend, blend. You know the drill. Go in with this Dior blush called Pink and just lightly put that on my cheeks. Very light, nothing too crazy. And I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of this Buttermelt blush on top too. And then I'm just gonna use my 262 brush to kind of diffuse that. Then I'm gonna go in with this Charlotte Tilbury powder and just kind of with this Kylie Jenner lip liner in Coconut. I'm gonna go in with this Patrick Ta Silky Cream and Flushed. And I would just blend it out. And once everything is done settling, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on top right here, just to give it a little bit of oomph. And then I'm going to go in with Kylie's Gloss and Damn Gina. Alright, that is that. I think I'm just going to spray my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Powder. Perfect. And I think I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I might just put a little bit of silver on my cheeks. Kind of just like that.